Hello, health enthusiasts. Today we have an incredibly exciting topic to explore: crunchy miracles. How apples can transform your health. We've all heard the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. But do you truly understand the incredible impact these humble fruits can have on your well-being? In this comprehensive video, we're delving deep into the world of apples, uncovering their extraordinary health benefits, the science that supports them, and how they can genuinely transform your overall health. So let's not waste any time. Let's dive right into the juicy details. Number 1. Nutritional powerhouses. Our journey into the world of apples begins with their impressive nutritional profile. Apples are more than just a tasty snack. They're a nutritional powerhouse, packed with dietary fiber, essential vitamins, including immune-boosting vitamin C and energy-supporting B vitamins, and crucial minerals such as potassium and magnesium. Apples lay the foundation for a balanced diet. However, it's the antioxidants, particularly flavonoids and polyphenols, that truly set apples apart. The antioxidants found in apples, especially flavonoids like quercetin and catechins, play a critical role in reducing oxidative stress. These compounds neutralize harmful free radicals that can lead to cell damage and chronic diseases. Research has shown that regular consumption of flavonoid-rich foods, such as apples, can have a protective effect against conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and neurodegenerative disorders. Moreover, the dietary fiber in apples supports digestion by promoting healthy gut bacteria, preventing constipation, and providing a feeling of fullness. Number 2. Heart health heroes. When it comes to heart health, apples are like your heart's best friend. Studies consistently show that incorporating apples into your diet can have remarkable benefits for cardiovascular health. The soluble fiber in apples plays a vital role in reducing LDL cholesterol levels, which are associated with an increased risk of heart disease. Additionally, the polyphenols in apples have anti-inflammatory properties that support healthy blood vessels and optimal heart function. Soluble fiber, like pectin found in apples, acts as a natural sponge, absorbing cholesterol and preventing it from being absorbed into the bloodstream. This reduction in LDL cholesterol not only lowers the risk of heart disease, but also supports overall cardiovascular health. Furthermore, the polyphenols in apples, such as anthocyanins and quercetin, have been linked to improved endothelial function, which helps maintain healthy blood vessel walls. The anti-inflammatory properties of these compounds contribute to reduced oxidative stress and inflammation, further protecting the cardiovascular system. Number 3. Blood sugar regulation. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, and apples can play a significant role in achieving this balance. The fiber content in apples slows down the absorption of sugars, preventing sudden spikes and crashes in blood glucose levels. Different apple varieties have varying effects on blood sugar, allowing you to make informed choices. Apples have a low glycemic index, GI, due to their fiber content, which slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. This characteristic prevents rapid fluctuations in blood sugar levels, making apples an excellent choice for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar. The soluble fiber in apples, particularly pectin, forms a gel-like substance in the digestive tract, which helps control the release of glucose into the bloodstream. This gradual release provides sustained energy and prevents the abrupt spikes and crashes that can negatively impact energy levels and overall health. Number 4. Gut health guardians. A healthy gut is the cornerstone of well-being, and apples can act as guardians of your gut health. Rich in prebiotic fiber, apples nourish the beneficial bacteria in your gut, supporting a balanced microbiome. A harmonious gut environment is linked to improved digestion, enhanced immune function, and even better mental health. The prebiotic fiber in apples serves as food for the probiotic bacteria residing in your gut. When these beneficial bacteria thrive, they create a balanced and diverse gut microbiome, which is essential for various aspects of health. Apples contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, providing a nurturing environment for different strains of gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is known to influence digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune responses. Additionally, the gut-brain connection highlights the role of a balanced microbiome in mental health. The fiber and polyphenols in apples promote the growth of beneficial bacteria while inhibiting the growth of harmful ones, further supporting gut health. Number 5. Weight management allies. For those on a weight management journey, apples can be your trusted allies. Despite their low calorie content, apples are incredibly satisfying due to their high fiber content. They make for a satiating snack that helps control hunger and manage cravings. The combination of fiber and water in apples creates a feeling of fullness, which can curb overeating and support weight management. The fiber content slows down the emptying of the stomach and prolongs digestion, allowing you to feel satisfied for a longer duration. This effect is especially useful for those aiming to reduce calorie intake and control portion sizes. Apple's natural sweetness provides a healthier alternative to sugary snacks, reducing the consumption of empty calories. Moreover, the act of chewing apples requires time and effort, contributing to a slower eating pace and improved satiety signaling to the brain. Number 6. Cancer prevention potential. The potential of apples to prevent cancer is an exciting area of research. Their rich antioxidant content, particularly quercetin, has shown promise in reducing the risk of certain types of cancer. Quercetin, a flavonoid abundant in apples, has garnered attention for its potential anti-cancer properties. Studies suggest that quercetin can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and promote their apoptosis, programmed cell death. Furthermore, the antioxidants in apples help combat oxidative stress, which is a contributing factor to DNA damage and the development of cancer. While apples cannot replace medical treatments, their inclusion in a balanced diet may contribute to a lower risk of specific cancers. It's important to note that more research is needed to fully understand the extent of apples' cancer preventive effects. Number 7. Dental health benefits. Did you know that apples can also benefit your dental health? Chewing apples stimulates saliva production, which helps cleanse your mouth and reduce the risk of cavities. Their natural crunchiness acts as a sort of nature-made toothbrush. Apples' natural texture and high water content make them a natural cleanser for your teeth. When you bite into an apple, the fibers in the fruit stimulate saliva production, which neutralizes acids and rinses away food particles. Saliva contains enzymes that aid in breaking down food, promoting oral hygiene. The act of chewing apples also massages the gums and contributes to better circulation in the mouth. However, it's essential to note that while apples can have positive effects on dental health, maintaining proper oral hygiene practices, including regular brushing and flossing, remains crucial. Number 8. Culinary versatility. Apples are more versatile in the kitchen than you might think. They can transform both sweet and savory dishes, adding a delightful crunch and natural sweetness. From classic apple pies to innovative salads and even savory main courses, we'll showcase a variety of recipes that demonstrate just how creatively you can incorporate apples into your meals. Apples' versatility makes them a culinary gem. Their crisp texture and balanced sweetness can elevate a wide range of dishes. In desserts, apples can be baked into pies, crumbles, and tarts, bringing warmth and comfort to your plate. On the savory side, apples add a refreshing element to salads, slaws, and grain bowls. They can also be paired with cheese, roasted with meats, or incorporated into stuffing for a burst of flavor. Whether you're exploring global cuisines or experimenting with your recipes, apples are a chef's canvas waiting to be painted with creativity. Number 9. Making apples a habit. The key to reaping the transformative benefits of apples lies in making them a consistent part of your diet. In this segment, we'll discuss practical strategies for integrating apples into your daily routine. Whether it's as a convenient snack, an ingredient in your breakfast, or a flavorful addition to your salads, we'll provide you with tips to ensure that apples become a sustainable and enjoyable habit. Incorporating apples into your daily routine doesn't have to be complicated. Start by including them in your breakfast, slice them onto your cereal or oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or spread almond butter on apple slices. For a convenient on-the-go snack, carry a small bag of apple slices or whole apples. Aim to include apples in your lunch and dinner too. Add them to salads for a burst of sweetness, or use them to balance the flavors in savory dishes. Experiment with different apple varieties to enjoy a variety of tastes and textures. Remember, consistency is key to experiencing the long-term benefits of apples, so make them an integral part of your eating habits. Number 10. Empowering your health journey. As we reach the conclusion of our exploration into the world of apples and health, it's clear that these fruits are indeed crunchy miracles. From promoting heart health to regulating blood sugar, supporting gut health to aiding in weight management, and even potentially contributing to cancer prevention, apples are nature's gift to our well-being. Remember, transforming your health isn't an overnight process. It's about making informed choices and embracing sustainable habits. So the next time you reach for a snack, consider the incredible potential packed within an apple. Apples exemplify the power of whole, natural foods in promoting overall health. By understanding the science behind their benefits, you can make conscious choices that align with your health goals. Embrace the journey of discovering new ways to enjoy apples, from savoring their crispness to experimenting with recipes that showcase their versatility. Keep in mind that while apples offer numerous health advantages, a balanced and varied diet, along with regular physical activity, contributes to holistic well-being. Your health journey is a personal one, and with apples by your side, you're equipped to take charge of your vitality and enhance your quality of life. And there you have it, a comprehensive journey through the ways in which apples can truly transform your health. From promoting heart health to regulating blood sugar, supporting gut health to aiding in weight management, and even potentially contributing to cancer prevention, apples are nature's gift to our well-being. If you found this video insightful and informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Healthy Way for more enlightening content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Remember, your health journey is a continuous path, and with apples by your side, you're well equipped to embrace a healthier, happier life. Stay crunchy, stay healthy.